taking off early today. Can you check out my notes and print out the handouts for tomorrow's performance meetings? 25 copies should do it, okay?
Wait, can you... What? Can I get the original file you used for this?
I gotta rush. Hey, remember that video I sent you? Add that to the printouts as well. Gotta go.
Wait, can I get a video?
Thank you for calling Automated Support Line at Bad Biz Computer Company. Our menu has recently changed. Please listen to all the options before selecting. We are sorry for the inconvenience. For email-related issues, please press 1. For printing-related issues, please press 2. For server-related issues, please press 3. For database-related issues, please press 4. For internet-related issues, please press 29. For website-related issues, please press 30. You can now choose an option from the menu. In your own words, please describe the issue you are experiencing with printing.
I'm unable to...
You can start speaking now.
I'm unable to connect to the front lobby printer. I think it might...
Are you looking to request access to the lobby printer?
No, I have access. It appears to be offline.
Answering yes or no, are you looking to request access to the lobby printer?
No.
In order to request access to the lobby printer, you will need to email your local administrator and request that they reach out to us. We can only approve access to your administrator.
I already have access to it.
We're very happy that we have solved your problem. Your feedback is very important to us.
You haven't solved my problem.
Would you mind answering a few short questions? On a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the services you have received? You have answered 10. Thank you.
Yes!
Thank you for calling Bad Biz Computer Company.
You didn't fix anything. I fixed it. Access this, you terrible...
Excuse me? Who's this? Can I help you? Is that you, Devin?
Wrong number.
For wireless network-related issues, please press 8. If you have received an email that asks you to look at the attachment, but there is no attachment, please press 13. If you cannot find a file on your crowded desktop, please press 17. If technology is just not doing what you want it to do, please press 22. If you're having trouble with that thing, which you need, the one that you've always used, please press 26. We've added you to our mailing list. Bye now.